On Wednesday morning, an identified man was found unconscious in one of the designated sitting areas in front of the ticket counter at Teliamura Railway Station. The unconscious man passed away after he was taken to Teliamura Hospital by fire brigade personnel. Police started taking investigation over this incident.
On Wednesday morning, an unidentified man was found unconscious in one of the designated sitting areas in front of the ticket counter at Teliamura Railway Station. After witnessing the entire incident, the fire department personnel were informed. Within a short time, the fire department personnel arrived at the scene and took the man to sub-district hospital. The man died around afternoon after undergoing treatment for some time, according to the hospital sources. There is widespread confusion about why or from where this boy came to Teliamura Railway Station, fell ill and ultimately died.
কি অবস্থায় আছে? খারাপ আর কি বাড়ানা নাম টাম কোনো কিছু জানা না কেডা খবর দিছে আপনাদের খবর তো পাবলিক পুলিশ
As of the last report, the police are investigating the incident and the body is at the morgue of the Teliamura Sub-District Hospital. Report to Hiranmoy from Teliamura, Chini, Khorang.